Michael Baker here. I just thought I'd post this video to let you guys know how sweet the world we live in is. I mean, just truly amazing. If you can't sense my sarcasm, right here, that way is probably 100 yards to the ocean, okay? And I don't know if you can see, but there's kind of what they call a marine life through this. Anyways, I pulled over, set my bike down, took off my shoes, and I wanted to walk through that to get to the beach, take a nice video. I found out the hard way through my feet that they have these little like prickly thorn things. But anyways, I get all the way to the beach and walking up, this car I mean, it's crazy. This car drives up, this guy gets out and he's like, "How's it going?" I'm like, "It's going good. How's it going?" "Hey, I didn't know if, just curious, where'd you come from?" So I told him I had my bike over here, and he's like, "Just so you know, it's strictly prohibited to cross this marine life, and I can actually fine you for leaving a footprint." And I'm like, what? You know, in my mind, I'm like, are you kidding me? You can fine me for leaving a footprint in the sand just to cross over to get to the beach? And he says, "So I'm gonna have you go ahead and walk straight back and don't walk on any of the plants or anything like that." And I'm like, okay, you know, so I just walked back to my bicycle, and I'm at my bicycle right now. And I just thought it was pretty amazing that you can't even walk across to get to the beach here. They're so strict. I mean, come on, like, do people really think they own the sand? I mean, that's just crazy. So I thought I'd let you guys know what's up. Now I got to get back on the road and continue on. So praise the Lord, and I'll talk to you later.